It's me! Raggedy Asstrick! Hey, Obama! I got something to say to you. Big Bird called me up and said he didn't want to be in your stupid-ass political attack ad. He said, take it down, man! I know Big Bird. And you ain't no Big Bird, Obama! My puppet friend says you threatened to break his Big Bird legs if he didn't do what your mobster friends told him to. Well, I know for a fact Big Bird is doing just fine with his millions in commercial endorsements. And he agrees with Romney. He don't need no stupid government subsidies. He's sitting fat and happy right now in a Manhattan penthouse. He says, leave me alone! That's right. That's right. He called me and he asked me to flip you the bird, but I can't get my fingers just right. Well, anyway, Obama,